Hi there, this is Megduth and you are watching this video because you contacted me for the work. Now, if you haven't completely watched the product details video, then go ahead and watch the product detail video. And if you already completed the video, then continue this video. Okay, my name is Megduth Sinha and I'm from Kolkata and I had made more than 2 lakh rupees basically from this platform. Now, why exactly you should work with me? Let me just give you the reason. I already got featured in Daily Hunt, in Google News, in M Podcast, and I also got featured in Indian Startup Magazine. What is the work? Let me just clear out the basics. If you're going into market to earn money, then you can have only two options. First is job, second is business. In job, we do schooling, we do graduation, we spend 20 to 25 years in our education, and also we spend 18 to 15 lakhs. After that, we get job in a specific skill set. What about business? For business, trade license required, GST required, and many other documents are required. You need to lease a place, you need to do a product promotion, marketing is also there, and you need to hire employees as well. Now the point is, because of the COVID, the scenario is worst. You know the scenario, that's why you came to me. Now the point is, what is affiliate marketing and how affiliate marketing works? In affiliate marketing, we promote third-party product who already created the product, who have the document and it's already government approved. Now we promote that product, and whenever through that promotion the company get the conversion and company make profit, that company is going to pay us the commission from the profit. LeadSarc is basically the leading affiliate program in India right now. We got 2 awards. There is only 2 type of product you can do affiliate. First is physical, second is digital. So physical product is like phone, then tripod, then ring light, then charger, then pen, copy, pencil, food, vegetable. These are the physical product. And what are the digital product? Digital products are like graphic designing, paintings, NFTs, e-learning platforms like courses. Many other things are there as a digital product. Now what we deal in? We deal in e-learning product because education is something which will never go down. Everyone required education. You already know the products, right? Light, Standard, Pro. These are the 3 products. And the commission for that is, for in Light it is 1500, for Standard it is 2500, and in Pro it is 5000. How exactly you can make 50,000 from affiliate platform, and how exactly you can start your own freelancing business? Once you are enrolling in any one of that segment, you are learning skills, which is digital skills, right? And you can provide services through your digital skills to any businesses, any person who required that skills. Suppose email marketing, suppose Facebook marketing, suppose YouTube marketing. Now you have a question like, how exactly I can promote affiliate marketing, LeadSarc, and get customer, right? I'm just telling you, we are not selling anything, we are doing the marketing. So company is getting the sale from our promotion and we are getting paid not 5%, not 4%, not 3%. It is only 70 to 75% commission on each conversion. That is huge in the market. Now, if I talk about affiliate marketing, there are other businesses like Amazon, Flipkart, then Apple, then Reebok, Adidas, Puma, GoDaddy. These are the companies who actually do the affiliate marketing in order to make profits. Now you must be wondering like, I don't know about affiliate marketing. Let me just tell you, I'm from a BCA background. I am used to be a coder and I learned over here about digital marketing, and currently I'm a faculty at Cambridge Marketing College and in MacOut. Right now I'm teaching digital marketing over here. In this training you will be learning from the scratch, from the zero. If you don't know about digital marketing, you will learn from here. And this is the feedbacks.
Megduth sir, I'm recording this video to thank you for being there for me, for helping me throughout this journey. And there's a good news, I've completed 1,50,000 earning today and I'm so proud and I'm so happy कि उस दिन आपके कहने पे मैंने डिसीजन लिया था, वरना शायद मैं कभी नहीं करती. दिस वाज सो न्यू, इतना कंफ्यूजिंग था सब कुछ, बट थैंक यू पूरे जर्नी में मुझे गाइड करने के लिए, हेल्प करने के लिए. दिस वीडियो इज़ ऑल्सो फॉर एनीबडी जो अभी भी कंसिडर कर रहे हैं कि मेघदूत सर की टीम को ज्वाइन करें या नहीं. गाइज प्लीज़ डू इट, प्लीज़ डू इट. इज़ एन अमेजिंग पर्सन, बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा. एंड आई विल बी सो हैप्पी to have you in our team and to see all of us grow together. So all the best.
तो ये वीडियो मैं मेघदूत भाई के लिए बना रहा हूँ यार, सच में नेक्स्ट लेवल का सपोर्ट करते हैं मेघदूत भाई। मैंने अपनी एफिलिएट जर्नी को उनके साथ स्टार्ट किया था मेघदूत भाई के साथ, और आज मैं 1 लाख रुपीज़ की अर्निंग कर चुका हूँ। सो ये 1 लाख रुपीज़ मैंने कैसे किया, क्या क्या चैलेंजेस आते हैं, क्या क्या मतलब जो भी चैलेंजेस हमको आते हैं, हर प्रॉब्लम का सॉल्यूशन आपको मेघदूत भाई के पास मिलेगा। इन्होंने मेरी पूरी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करी, सारी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करी है, अच्छे से मुझे गाइड किया, मुझे सपोर्ट किया, मुझे कॉल पे लिया, एक एक चीज़ प्रॉपर क्लियर करी। सो आप सोच रहे हो मेघदूत भाई के साथ काम करने का, तो आप बिल्कुल भी मत सोचो, अभी स्टार्ट करो, अभी मेघदूत भाई को मैसेज करो। मेघदूत भाई काफ़ी अच्छा गाइड करते हैं, काफ़ी अच्छा सपोर्ट करते हैं। मेरा जो 1 लाख रुपीज़ हुआ है उन्हीं की वजह से हुआ है।
मेघदूत भाई, सो ये वीडियो मैं खास आपके लिए बना रहा हूँ क्योंकि जब मैंने लीड साक स्टार्ट किया था राइट, तो बिल्कुल भी एक्सपीरियंस नहीं था और लाइक सेल्फ डाउट था कि हो पाएगा नहीं हो पाएगा राइट, कर पाऊंगा नहीं कर पाऊंगा। लेकिन खास आपके सपोर्ट की वजह से, आपके मेंटरशिप की वजह से आज मेरी अर्निंग, वीकली अर्निंग 15,000 हो रही है राइट, और मेरी लाइफ में एक ड्रास्टिक चेंज आया राइट। सो आपने जब मुझे बोला था कि लाइक खुद पे इन्वेस्ट करना चाहिए, खुद का बेस्ट वर्जन बनना चाहिए राइट, आप सही थे। सो थैंक यू सो मच।
या हाय मेघदूत ब्रो, ये वीडियो आपके लिए बना रहा हूँ। आपके सपोर्ट एंड गाइडेंस की हेल्प की वजह से अभी तक मैंने लीड साक से 1,40,000 प्लस की इनकम को हिट करा है। अगर तुम्हारी सपोर्ट एंड गाइडेंस नहीं रहती तो ये अर्निंग बिल्कुल भी नहीं हो पाती, बिकॉज जब मैंने स्टार्ट करा था, यू नो वेरी वेल, आई हैव टोटल जीरो नॉलेज, कोई भी चीज़ें नहीं पता थी कि कैसे कर सकता हूँ राइट। बट योर स्ट्रैटेजी, योर टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स सीरियसली नेक्स्ट लेवल ब्रो। एवरी वीक 10 to 15,000 की इनकम हो रही है। एंड एक ही चीज़ बोलना चाहूँगा, जो भी लोग सिर्फ अभी सोच रहे हैं स्टार्ट करने के लिए, कनेक्ट विद मेघदूत, स्टार्ट राइट अवे, सॉल्व योर क्वेश्चन एंड लेट्स बूम टुगेदर, बिकॉज ही विल शेयर द वेरी नेक्स्ट लेवल नॉलेज, वेरी नेक्स्ट लेवल टिप्स। Definitely you will hit every week 10 to 15,000 for sure. So connect Meghdoot and let's start together. Let's boom together. Cheers up.
This is how I guide people every day, every week. I guide people personally so that they can also earn. In here, we are not growing alone. Over here, we are growing together. So right now you have a doubt like how exactly I will get the customer. You are promoting product which helps people to grow on social media, and you are promoting that on social media. That's how you are going to get the customer. Now if you still have doubts, you can DM me, and if you need the document for the company, I'm putting it over here, and also you can DM me the document. I will share you the government document, because we comes under Digital India Campaign e-learning segment. And if you want to start, then DM me, and if you want to enroll right now, use the link in the description. For now, best of luck.